Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.